are heading down to the Triana neighbourhood just now. We're going to go and check out the market, maybe find a bakery, get some coffee and just walk around and see what it looks like.
Yeah, so you pop out that bit.
Yeah.
And then eat this bit.
Yeah.
Yeah, so Miliana will be eating it wrong.
I don't like it.
It's edible. Not my favourite. I do quite like nuts and like that. It's just really dry. I don't like them. I think it's rotten.
That's us at the market. We're just having a
Sarah, please get
patata
it
tortilla.
open this.
I'm having a wee burr. We're having a wee burr. The kids are trying it as well. It's nice.
This is the kind of food that I've been liking.
Sarah.
Yeah, baby.
No.
Should we try it?
Yeah.
You want to try one? We are next to the Santa Ana church. We've spent like the last 45 minutes trying to look for like a place that's serving tapas to get some food. But the problem is, up here, like everyone stops serving food at about 4 o'clock. Like that's when the lunch service is done, and then they do the dinner service later. So we've missed the lunch service. So we're just having wine instead.
And apples
the
and
kids are
pears
having apples
and
and
cucumber and chicken
Yeah.
for snack. Last night and I am kicking off the night with very traditional Spanish tapas.
Obviously, Sarah's starting her meal off with some patata
Chippies.
frita, some chippies. We're
Just to cleanse the palate.
yeah, obviously, just to cleanse the palate. We are at a typical sort of square with a playground and a bodega, and we're going to have some traditional Spanish tapas while the children play for our final night in Spain.
Yep, but then we're on
On to the next one.
to the next one.
La gracia es esta vida.
Yeah, in a minute. Can you eat the sandwich first? And then I'll get you some octopus. Okay, so I'm having
He likes it.
spinach and chickpeas, standard dish. Very ugly, but very tasty. It's like cream stewed spinach. The kids are just having a like stewed. The kids are eating a stewed pork sandwich, which is supposedly very traditional here, that a lot of people traditionally have for breakfast. It's got chorizo and the blood sausage as well, and it's stewed with the pork, and then they put it in a slice of bread and toast it. We've also got some grilled octopus. Really greasy. Nice sausage there.
I'm just having grilled chicken wraps and